Welcome to the Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. As immigrants ourselves, we have experienced firsthand the excitement of starting anew while navigating the complexities of life in America. Our podcast was born out of a deep desire to offer support and guidance to others like us, those who are already living here or dreaming of making the leap. Each week, we share 3 thoughtfully crafted episodes that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving professional success and mastering financial literacy. Our mission is simple: to empower you with valuable insights and practical advice as you chart your own path in this diverse land. Whether you're seeking tips on improving your English skills or looking for inspiration on how to thrive in your new environment, we're here for you every step of the way. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA. Welcome to the Immigrants in the United States of America podcast. For the next few months, our podcast episodes published on Wednesdays will include excerpts from MaestroSersea's eBook, Job Search Strategies for Immigrants in the USA, to help you further understand, be better prepared professionally, and thrive in the United States of America. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Welcome to the Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we equip current and future immigrants in the United States with practical advice and valuable insights. In today's episode, we will cover MaestroSersea's ebook titled Job Search Success Strategies for Immigrants in the USA. Today, we will focus on Chapter 2, Crafting an Outstanding Resume, including subchapter Understanding Resume Formats. Are you ready to begin? Let's get started. Job Search Success Strategies for Immigrants in the USA. Chapter 2, Crafting an Outstanding Resume. Understanding Resume Formats. In this subchapter, I want to provide immigrants with an overview of different resume formats and help them choose the most appropriate one for their career goals. Understanding the nuances of resume formats is essential as it allows immigrants to effectively showcase their qualifications and increase their chances of landing their desired job. The first step in understanding resume formats is to recognize that there are 3 main types commonly used in the United States: chronological, functional, and combination. Each format has its own advantages and disadvantages, and choosing the right one depends on the individual's unique circumstances and career goals. The chronological resume format is the most common and straightforward format. It presents the candidate's work experience in reverse chronological order, starting with the most recent position. This format is ideal for those with a stable work history and progression in their careers. It allows employers to easily see a candidate's career trajectory and the specific skills and responsibilities they have gained over time. However, for immigrants who may not have a long work history or relevant experience in the United States, this format may not be the most effective in highlighting their qualifications. On the other hand, the functional resume format focuses on the candidate's skills and abilities rather than their work history. This format is particularly useful for immigrants who have transferable skills from their previous careers or education but may lack relevant work experience in the United States. By categorizing their skills and accomplishments into specific sections such as technical skills or project management, immigrants can emphasize their strengths and demonstrate their ability to contribute to a potential employer's needs. However, one potential drawback of the functional format is that it does not provide a clear timeline of the candidate's work history, which some employers may view as a red flag. The combination resume format, as the name suggests, combines elements of both the chronological and functional formats. It provides a balanced approach by showcasing both the candidate's work history and their relevant skills and accomplishments. For immigrants who have some work experience in the United States but also possess transferable skills, this format can be a great choice. By highlighting their relevant work experience first and then including a skills section, immigrants can demonstrate their ability to adapt and contribute effectively in their new environment. Once immigrants have a clear understanding of the different resume formats, the next step is to structure their resume in a way that effectively showcases their qualifications. Regardless of the format chosen, there are certain key components that every resume should include. These components include a professional summary or objective statement, a section for relevant skills or qualifications, a detailed work experience section, and a section for education and certifications. The professional summary or objective statement is a brief introduction at the beginning of the resume that summarizes the candidate's skills, experience, and career goals. This section should grab the employer's attention and entice them to continue reading the rest of the resume. For immigrants, this is an opportunity to highlight their unique background and how it aligns with the position they are applying for. The section for relevant skills or qualifications is where immigrants can showcase their specific skills and abilities that are relevant to the job they are seeking. This section should be tailored to the specific job description and highlight the skills that are most desirable to potential employers. It is important to be concise and specific in listing these skills, and providing concrete examples or achievements can further bolster their credibility. The detailed work experience section is where immigrants can provide a comprehensive overview of their previous employment, emphasizing the responsibilities they held and the accomplishments they achieved. For immigrants who have international work experience, it is important to provide context and explain the relevance of their previous positions to the job they are applying for in the United States. This can be done by highlighting any transferable skills or by emphasizing the similarities between their previous roles and the desired position. Finally, the education and certification section should include information about the candidate's academic background and any relevant certifications or professional development courses they have completed. This section should be concise but thorough, providing the necessary details such as the names and locations of the institutions attended and the degrees or certifications obtained. In conclusion, understanding resume formats is crucial for immigrants in their job search in the United States. By familiarizing themselves with the different types of formats and selecting the most appropriate one for their career goals, immigrants can effectively showcase their qualifications and increase their chances of landing their desired job. Additionally, structuring their resume to highlight key components such as the professional summary, relevant skills, work experience, and education can further enhance their appeal to potential employers. Armed with this knowledge and guidance, immigrants can embark on their job search with confidence and increase their likelihood of success.
Thank you for listening to today's episode of our Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. Join us again as we share 3 distinct episodes each week that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving personal and professional success and mastering financial literacy. You are invited to also visit our official website for Immigrants in the USA at www.immigrantsinthe.us. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA.